As people dive deeper into the tech world, emotional communication becomes more crucial. AI HoloBox creators understand this, and that's why they came up with a gadget for endless conversations. Essentially, AI HoloBox is another smart assistant. It runs on ChatGPT, using AI algorithms to showcase stunning holograms without the need for special glasses. You can also upload videos to relive your favorite moments. Plus, being the size of a water bottle, you can carry the AI HoloBox wherever you go. This tech marvel is available for $180. Apparently, some folks can't get enough screens in their life, or else the $900 Nxtabl wouldn't exist. It comfortably seats up to 6 people, and the touchscreen with 4K support and dual stereo speakers adds to the fun. With 8 GB of RAM included, enjoy lag-free video and audio playback. The 128 GB built-in memory lets you build a solid library of movies and music. Once more, Nxtabl can be rotated and connected to a game console through its USB and HDMI connectors. Rest assured, with this table, you won't want to go anywhere. A drone, a boat, or a Boston Dynamics robotic dog. You got it! Lets you create a range of robots, ensuring you're never bored. It's an advanced system. The robots sync with ChatGPT and can be tweaked with visual or Python programming. Want to orchestrate a techno ballet? No sweat. The starting model of UGot Robotic Kit is priced at around $349. The Cam Omni is a top-of-the-line device ensuring security with its 140-degree FOV camera and 2-phase stepping motors providing smooth 340-degree movement. It offers the first true 360-degree full-view dash cam on the market, continuously tracking surroundings in all directions. With a robust parking surveillance system and enhanced AI motion detection, it acts as your vigilant tech watchdog. The unique collision detection algorithm aids in recording crucial data for court cases, making it invaluable after a collision with a reckless driver. Saramonic, a Chinese company renowned for audio equipment, introduces the BlinkMe radio system. Compatible with DSLR cameras, laptops, smartphones, and more, it stands out with touchscreens on both transmitters and receivers. The transmitters boast an impressive 8-hour battery life, and the receiver lasts a full day. Notably, the receiver can recharge the transmitters, and users can display volume, clock, music buttons, and more. A versatile audio solution for various devices, enhancing user experience. Is your neighbor causing a ruckus again? Struggling to sleep during travels or after a long computer session? Introducing Napillow, a blend of noise-canceling earmuffs and a neck pillow. Slip it on for 35 decibels, quieter surroundings, and a comfortable neck upgrade. Priced at $49, it even includes a sleep mask for an additional $25. A perfect solution for uninterrupted rest and relaxation. Back in the 1960s, Edwin van Arbeck's grandfather was into making mechanical birds. Edwin kept it going and came up with X-Fly. Weighing just 12 grams, this drone not only stays airborne for 10 to 12 minutes on a full battery, but can also be guided using a smartphone. The wing design got a hand from the French military, who fancy a compact drone capable of flying around 100 meters. Konsivy is more than just a telescope. It also helps you document your life. With Konsivy, you can capture moments as you observe, ensuring you don't miss any of the beautiful scenery you encounter. Konsivy's shooting function is both simple and user-friendly. It features dedicated buttons for taking photos and recording videos, eliminating the need to memorize complex switching procedures. Moreover, these buttons are conveniently located near your thumb, designed with ergonomic considerations. ErgoRead exceeded expectations on Kickstarter, originally aiming for $2,000 but raising over $95,000. Backers were attracted to its multifunctionality, serving as a neck heater, fan, light, speaker, and wireless microphone. Capable of heating up to 60 degrees C, it allows users to adjust light brightness and color temperature. With a full battery, ErgoRead boasts an impressive 32-hour lifespan, making it a versatile and enduring device. Moonwalkers are shoes with wheels on the bottom that you put on your regular shoes. However, these are not rollerblades. As you walk, the wheels roll at a pace that does not affect your balance because they are instead stuffed with sensors and motors. In other words, as you continue to walk normally, the Moonwalkers speed up your pace. It genuinely feels like having a moving walkway out of an airport strapped to your feet. Cool. These could be particularly beneficial for those who are unable to go as far as they would want due to health conditions. Moonwalkers were invented by engineer Zuni Zhang 4 years ago, after being almost hit by a car while riding a scooter. Zhang determined that walking was safer, but could be improved with a speed boost. Moonwalkers were born from this need. Meet Ruckus. Just Play FX, a DJ console at your fingertips with various moves. You can mix 80 sound effects and 120 tracks. It comes preloaded, but you can also add your own sounds and songs. There's an official app to tweak your recorded music and share it. And when you're not DJing, it doubles as a video game controller. The Ruckus Just Play FX is priced at $57, a pretty good deal if you want to feel like David Guetta. Illuminate your world with the laser engine projector, delivering vibrant visuals with 300 ANSI lumens of brightness in 1080 PHD. Weighing just 900 grams and 90% smaller than counterparts, this anchor projector is perfect for on-the-go presentations or movie nights. With a 52 WH battery for 2.5 hours of continuous play, the Capsule 3 is ideal for extended viewing. It features Android TV 11.0, Google Assistant, and Chromecast compatibility, enhancing your entertainment hub. The dual digital speakers provide immersive audio for a complete viewing experience. Arlo's video doorbells, known for affordability, offer a 1:1 aspect ratio, smart notifications, emergency dialing, and a built-in siren. The wired video doorbell is reasonably priced, particularly when compared to the Google Nest Hello, but it's not the cheapest. The Arlo wireless video doorbell is even more expensive. If budget constraints are a concern, there might be more economical options on the market with similar features. Imagine a fitness checker, soil detector, and water detector all in one. Seems very out there and unfathomable, right? Well, Magic Pencil is literally a miniature lab. This very aptly named Magic Pencil is a stereoscopic scanner that can measure the compositions of almost anything you can use it on. Want to know how much fat content your steak has? Want to know how fresh and sugary your milk is? Use Magic Pencil and it'll tell you. It is a truly astounding piece of engineering. We have already shown you 14 gadgets. How do you remember all of them? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Meet Memory Box, a cool new invention, acts as a retro electronic calendar highlighting historic events and helping you remember important dates and information. Surprisingly compact, it holds extensive information, providing over 6,000 historical facts from the 1st century BC to the present. And featuring a 4,000 mAh battery, It lasts a week with just an hour of charging, extending to 2 weeks with wireless off. That's it for today. Which one captivated you the most? Share your thoughts, comment, and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech updates.